Right? Friends, greetings to you. Today we are going to reveal to you a secret that can illuminate the path to success and well-being. Imagine having something so simple and yet incredibly powerful that can change your life. It's not something out of fiction, it's candles. Yes, these little sources of light have the power to work miracles. Are you ready to learn how to harness their power in your life? Stay tuned to find out how candles can be your allies on the path to success and happiness. Main part, candles have long accompanied mankind, illuminating not only the physical but also the spiritual path. They symbolize life, purification, and transformation. Think of how often candles are used in religious rituals and meditations. They help to focus, clear the mind, and create an atmosphere of sacredness. Different cultures have beliefs and omens associated with candles. For example, in some European countries, it is believed that if you blow out the candles with one breath, the wish will definitely come true. In India, lighting a lamp symbolizes dispelling the darkness of ignorance. Candles can be of different colors, and each color has its own meaning and influence. White candles symbolize purity and peace. Red candles symbolize prosperity and success. Choosing a candle color can help you focus on certain aspects of your life. Many people are familiar with the ritual of lighting candles to attract luck and success. You can try a simple ritual. Light a green candle, focus on your goals and visualizing them coming true. This will help you to put yourself in a positive frame of mind and attract prosperity. Another interesting aspect is the use of scented candles. They not only create a cozy atmosphere, but also affect our mood and emotions. Lavender soothes and relaxes. Citrus invigorates and energizes. Vanilla creates a sense of comfort. Candles can also help with meditation and finding inner peace. Try spending a few minutes in silence, observing the flame of a candle. This simple exercise will help you calm your thoughts and focus on the present moment. The placement of the candles is also important. For example, a candle lit in the kitchen can promote well-being and abundance in the home. Candles in the bedroom create an atmosphere of harmony and love. Interestingly, many successful people use candles in their lives. For example, it is known that Oprah Winfrey likes to light candles before important meetings to create an atmosphere of calm and confidence. And Steve Jobs often used candles to meditate and find inspiration. Not to forget the protection that candles can provide, it is believed that a lit candle by the door can protect the home from negative energy. You can try this method to create a more harmonious and safe environment in your home. Using candles in rituals and ceremonies can also be very powerful. For example, many people light candles on their birthday to attract good luck and health for the coming year. This can be a wonderful tradition for your family. Candles can help us not only in our personal lives, but also in business. A candle lit on your desk at work can help you focus and increase your productivity. Try using this method to improve your work environment and achieve greater success. It is important to remember that the power of candles lies not only in their outer beauty, but also in their symbolic meaning. Each lit candle is a small light that can illuminate your path and lead to new discoveries and achievements. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types and colors of candles. Find the ones that best suit your desires and mood. Let candles become your guiding star on the way to success and harmony. In conclusion, I would like to say that candles are an amazing tool that is available to each of us. Use their power with gratitude and respect, and you will see how they can transform your life for the better. Conclusion. Dear viewers, I hope this video has helped you discover new facets of familiar things and inspired you to use the power of candles in your life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And now I have a special offer for you. If this video gets 500,000 likes, I will tell you about ancient rituals with candles that will help you attract prosperity and good luck. Share this video with your friends and write in the comments how you plan to use the power of candles in your lives. See you soon, friends, and may the light of candles illuminate your path to success and happiness.